The woman stone, Kunzite, stimulates self-love, appreciation, and luck. Origin and color: primarily the deposits of Kunzite are found in Pakistan and Afghanistan. It comes in pale pink or light violet colored specimens. Chakra healing: heart chakra, crown chakra. Birthstone, April. Zodiac sign, Taurus. Healing properties: Kunzite, the prayer answerer. Kunzite, a rare potential crystal, awakens us to the energies of universal love. Its high vibration matches the loving energy of the divine. Wearing Kunzite encourages the releasing of heavy emotions and promotes a lightness of being. Physically, brings relief in psychiatric conditions. Beneficial for treatment for PMS. Encourage healthy respiration. Emotionally, brings sense of calm. Reduce anxiety levels. Opens heart for humanity. Helps in evading negativity. Kunzite jewelry at Gemexi.